Welcome everybody. This story is called Know Your Worth and Never Settle. A father gave his son an old car for graduating from university with honors. But the father said, "Before I give you this car, I want you to take it downtown to the car dealer and see how much they will offer you." The son took the car downtown to the car dealer and they only offered him 500,000 Jamaican dollars. The son returned to the father and told him the amount. The father then said to him, "Take the car to the pawn shop down the road and see how much they will offer you." The son then took the car to the pawn shop down the road. Because the car was an old car and they felt as if they would have had a hard time selling the car, they only offered him 100,000 Jamaican dollars. The son returned to his father and told him the amount. The father said to him, "Take the car to the car club in Halfway Tree and see how much they will offer you." The son then took the car to Halfway Tree. They offered him $2 million because they saw the car as being very rare and they had always been looking for that car. The car was also the club owner's dream car when he was a child. The son returned to his father and told him the amount. The father said to him, "You don't have to settle at a place where people don't see your value. You don't have to get upset because people don't appreciate what you bring to the table. It simply means that you're in the wrong place. The people who know your value and what you have to offer will appreciate you. Never settle."